Hi, welcome once again to our YouTube channel. And today I'm gonna teach you the basic modeling tools and editing tools in this ETABS software. So let's begin. Now I have here a frame model which has four columns: one, two, three, four, and in here I also have a beam model and a slab. So first things first, if you want to model a column, just pick this icon and then just click to wherever you want your columns may be, depending on your architectural plan. So uh, that's it. That's how to model column. Now we go to the beam. So I'll pick this icon and then just draw your beam also. Like that, and like that. To draw a slab, I normally pick this icon here, then pick, 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 pick. So those are the ways on how to model your column, beam, and slab. And if you have walls uh, in your structural plan, use this icon here, walls. So for example, you have it here. So now we're just gonna delete the beams. So there you go. I have columns. Oh, so by the way, let's delete also these columns here, and then assign pin supports. Go here, assign restraints, and then pin here. So now I'm gonna teach you all the tricks that are mostly used in modeling. So first things first, for example, you want this beam, you want to copy this beam, just select it, go to edit, replicate, and for example, you want to copy in the y direction, just pick 5 meters. So there you go, 5. We have a beam here. So to divide beams, for example, these are two separate beams here. Just pick again and then edit, edit, and then go here, edit frames, divide frames. For example, we wanna divide it by 2. Just pick here. So there you can see that these beams are divided already here. So and if you accidentally divide, but in real actual these are joined, you wanna select, and then edit, join frames. So that's how to divide frames. Now we want to divide slabs as well. So click here, go to edit, edit areas, divide areas, shells or areas. So for example, you want to divide it by 3 by 3. So here you can see that they are all divided. So for example, again, if you want to combine these two, you just select them and then edit again, shell, and then merge shells. So just select OK. So now you can see that they are combined. These two panels are combined. Now, if you wanna copy this to upper floors, for example, you have 2 stories and so on and so on. So just select them, then edit again, go to replicate. Then now, instead of here, incremental data X and Y, we come here to story and then select this story 2. Now you can see that from here, so we already have second story here. If you pick this 3D view, you can see that our model has second story here. And then let's go here again on first story. So now if we wanna copy this part going to here, since this is 6 meters, for example, we have typical grid spacing of 6 by 6, and then we wanna copy this to here, just select them again like this, and then edit, go to replicate, and then -6, -6, -6. So this one 0. For example, we want to copy them multiple times. For example, 5 times. See, we have now structures like this. So if you want to preview it in a 3D model, you can see that this is the the structure now. Notice that if you replicate here, the assigned support is not copied. So just take note of that, and then just reassign the support property for this particular joint. So go to assign again, joint, restraints, and then assign restraints. So there you have it. So these are the basic editing tools that I use to model a structure. In our future video, we're gonna learn more how to load, analyze, and design structures. But for now, I want you to practice using the editing tools that I shared in this video, and hopefully you'll master and you become faster to model a structure. So that's it for this video. Thank you, have a good day, and God bless.